This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the prerequisites: MySQL server running, a database, and a user with permissions. Once done, create and activate a virtual environment and pip install a connector like MySQL connector Python or Mysql. Next, export your credentials to environment variables so you avoid hard-coding secrets. Then write a minimal script that imports the connector, reads host, user, password, database from env, calls connect, and prints a success message. This first working connection proves your network and credentials are correct. Once you have a connection, create a cursor and run parameterized queries. This prevents SQL injection and keeps types correct. Make sure to handle transactions explicitly. Call con. Commit after successful writes and con. Rollback on exceptions because auto-commit may be off. Use context managers or finally blocks to close cursors and connections. For larger apps, integrate connection pooling or an ORM like SQL Alchemy to manage sessions and mapping. These middle steps keep your app reliable and ready for concurrency and scale. To finish, ensure your code cleanly closes cursors and connections. Prefer with statements so resources are released even on errors. Add logging for queries, parameters, and exceptions, then run a simple select to verify end-to-end behavior. If you deploy, move credentials to a secrets manager and add migration scripts. Troubleshooting tip: if a connection fails, check network reachability, ensure the MySQL user is allowed from your client host, and confirm the connector library version matches your Python and MySQL versions. Mismatches cause subtle errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.